Hey guys, it's me Denny's back at it again with another video, and today what we're gonna be doing is ouchie. I just stepped on something. We're gonna be making our own grills. I know what you're thinking is how are you gonna get diamonds and metal, whatever, to make grills? Well, all it takes is a little thing of gum right here. You don't really need a big one unless like you're doing like your whole entire mouth, which I don't think you like people really do, unless like really rich people do, like unless it's like really rich people, like for example CJ so cool, he can do the long ones. I know he can, but like he does like the short ones. Anyways, so what we're gonna be doing is all you need is one of these like gum things. You can do it with a long one, you can do it with a big one. Long ones you usually have to cut them. These ones you don't need them like to cut them at all. All you need is the strip. That's all you need, and all you need to do. There you go. Except that I put it too much to the side. There you go. All I have to do with your like nail is like puncture in your teeth so it looks real. There you go. I'm trying to do that right now. Hey guys, how you like my new grills? Definitely is fun. See if we can get another one. I'm gonna do one on both, top and bottom. I'm just doing this for fun. I have a packet of gum. And if you wanna know which ones, it's these ones. I'm gonna waste Trident. You can't really see it on like, because it shows it backwards. I think it does. I'm not gonna eat the gum. I'm just gonna throw it out because I don't want gum. Don't want to ruin the girls. So yeah. It's really like you can sometimes you can forget like that it's even there. Like sometimes we have a brand new. It's so hard to put them in. There you go. Hey, oh no. Hey, oh no. I got grills. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? I got grills. Oh no, you can't. Terrible lighting. Alright, this would work. Too much. Maybe like this. And I don't know. The best, right? You didn't even need to spend that much money. I spent like $1 on that gum. $2 maybe. Let's do this thing.
I've never even seen a bread box.
So without further ado,
No more hints.
since we're done with the grills,
Please, hold on. Where should I put this? Oh, anywhere's fine. I'm just. Surprise.
so what we're doing, you're gonna have to exchange them at some point, like if you don't want them anymore, because sometimes it does get uncomfortable. But yeah, like right now I'm uncomfortable. I want to think about. Alright, without further ado, let's end this video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys like my grills. Ooh, fire! I'm kidding. Might not be fire. Might not be as cool. Yes, I do watch that. Anyways, let's just leave that. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's good lighting, actually. Alright, so we're gonna end this video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, please. Go show some love to my brother. His channel is Norman Diaz with the little peace symbol thing. And without further ado, everything is here. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.